Welcome to my channel, The Kid in Me. Beep boop! The number blocks are powering up and turning into robots. Here comes Numberblock 1, small but mighty. Zap, Numberblock 1 turns into a tiny robot helper. Beep boop! I'm Robo-One, the tiniest robot helper. I may be small, but I can fix anything.
I am one, and I'm playing in the sun. Being one is my idea of fun. One!
Numberblock loves teamwork, and now he's a twin gear robot. Hello, I'm Robo-Two. I've got double gears and double power. When we work together, nothing can stop us.
1 plus 1 equals 2.
I am 2, and I'm playing in the sun. A song and dance is my idea of fun.
Now, here it is, Numberblock 3. Robo-3 reporting for duty. My triangle sensors can spot fun from a mile away. Boop beep beep.
2
Plus 1 equals 3. I am 3, and I'm playing in the sun. Juggling things is my idea of fun.
Boom, Numberblock 4 transforms into a strong, square robot. I'm Robo-4, the strongest of them all. With my square metal arms, I can lift giant blocks with ease.
3 plus 1 equals
4. I am 4, and I'm playing in the sun. Being square is my idea of fun.
Shiny Numberblock 5 turns into a sparkling star robot. Shiny Robo-5 here. My glowing star powers light up the sky and make counting extra bright.
4 plus 1 equals 5. I am 5, and I'm playing in the sun. High fives are my idea of fun.
Numberblock 6 transforms into a robot with 6 spinning wheels. Vroom vroom. Zoom zoom. Robo-6 is rolling in. My 6 turbo wheels can take me anywhere. Ready for action. Lucky Numberblock 7 turns into a rainbow robot that powers up with color energy, zooming across the galaxy. Robo-7 online, unpowered by rainbow energy. Beep zap boom. Luck and color are my superpowers. Numberblock 8 becomes a super strong robot with 8 robotic arms, lifting, building, and helping everyone. Ho ho! Robo-8 is built for strength. With my 8 robot arms, I can build, lift, and hug all my friends at once. Fast and cool, Numberblock 9 transforms into a turbo speed robot. Beep boop! Nobody's faster than Robo-9. Speed alert! I'm Robo-9, the fastest bot in town. My rocket boosters make me zoom like lightning. Wow! Here comes Numberblock 10, the leader of all robot Numberblocks. He turns into a mega robot, combining power, teamwork, and fun. I'm Robo-10, the mega leader. I combine all robot powers, teamwork, strength, and fun to keep the Numberbots powered up. The Numberblocks have transformed into awesome robots. Which robot is your favorite? Tell us in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Numberblock adventures.